The Bird and the Giraffe. Once upon a time, there was a giraffe and a bird. "Hello," said the giraffe. "Do you want to play?" "Hello," said the bird. "Yes, let's play." 1, 2, 3, 4. It's time to look for the bird. Where is it? Is it here? No, it's not. Oh, here behind the curtains. "Hello, are you the bird?" "No, we are the ladybirds. Look. Wow, fly, fly, fly." Where is the bird? Oh, wow. Are you the bird? "No, we are the monkeys." Ah, the monkeys. Where is the bird? Are you the bird? "No, no, no. We are the rabbits. Look. Chippity jump, chippity jump, chippity jump." Oh, the rabbits. I see. Where is the bird? Are you the bird? No, I'm the tiger. Rawr! Oh no, a tiger! Run, run, run! Where is the bird? Bird, bird, tick, tick. Here I am. Oh, I found you. Let's play one more time. Yes, let's play.